I'm working on a virtual production using Unreal 5.4, and in this case I've got the Kitbash 3D Mission to Minerva objects in my environment, and I need to change a pivot point. Now, changing a pivot point for an full object is fairly easy in Unreal 5.4. You can right-click on it and simply go to Pivot and set the offset or reset it, whatever you need to do. However, it's a little bit more complex if I'm wanting to do a specific portion of it. In this case, I want to be able to close the back door of the ship, and that, if you try to rotate it as it is going to do some strange things. That can be easily fixed, however, if you scroll into it. To move the control, use your middle mouse button, press it in, and then you can drag it to where you need it to be. In this case, I'm going to want to go to the top of the door. And set it a little lower on the door so that when it rotates, it closes correctly. So here we go. And as you can see, I'm a little off there, but I can adjust that easily. And we'll be able to close the door so that my ship can be flying and we're not doing a Jane the Hero from Firefly. Make sure you like and subscribe for more tutorials on using Unreal.